Hi guys, it's me, Jessica, corporate recruiter, and today I'm answering common job seeker questions. And today is actually more of a comment than a question. The message here is Indeed is trash. Indeed is trash. So Indeed has been absolute garbage with their algorithm lately. Jobs keep popping up that I've applied for. It keeps showing jobs out of my area and state, no matter how many times I type in my city, any other job sites worth checking out. Yes, my favorite job site, which is linkedin.com. Now, depending on what type of job you're looking for, if you're looking for professional jobs, definitely, but also most really large companies automatically have their jobs shared onto LinkedIn. So even if you're looking for a sales associate job, you're probably going to be able to find it on linkedin.com. The other thing I would just suggest is whatever industry you're in, go on google.com and look for specific niche job sites that may be sharing jobs in your local area. And lastly, I would just say look for specific companies that are in your area, like they're based or headquartered in your state. Again, google.com is probably the best searching site that you can use, because you can then look at those companies, look at their career sites, and then apply directly to those companies, and even set up job alerts so that you can be notified every single time that company has an opening in one of the areas that you're interested in. Indeed is not complete trash, but I get it. You should definitely diversify your job search. And I would definitely recommend LinkedIn because all the HR folks and recruiters use LinkedIn. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.